Hello, Namaste, welcome to Turmeric Root Kitchen. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching all my videos. Today I am sharing very popular Indian dessert called Falooda ice cream. This is heavenly good with fresh fruits. All the ingredients in the description box. Let's start how to make the Falooda at home. I already cooked the tapioca. This is a small tapioca pearls. 10 minutes in a low flame and run through the cold water. This way it looks. I have 3 colors: beets, carrots and spinach. I'm going to take out the juice out of them. Add some water like a 2 tablespoons. Strain them. Those pulps you can save it for your smoothies. You will get nice vibrant colors out of these 3 vegetables. You can see the colors. I like the natural color in my tapioca. And healthy also. I'm mixing the cooked pearl tapioca in those 3 colors. Look at those colors. Beautiful. It's very easy to make. You can try at home. Kids will love this color. Soak the chia seeds in cold water for 10 minutes. This is caramel sauce, diced dried nuts, tutti frutti, dry fruits, kiwi, blueberries, banana, cherry, and king of the fruit, mango, carrot pearls, beet pearls, and spinach pearls, and vanilla ice cream. Let's start how to assemble the Falooda ice cream. Garnish your glass with caramel sauce. You can layer the Falooda as per your preferences, but I like this unique way. And you can add seasonal fruits also, which is your choice, but I like the mango, kiwi and blueberries. When you eat the Falooda, the blueberries pop up in your mouth, and the sweet and tanginess from the mango and kiwi also. And you can adjust your ice cream or fruits more or less. Try at home. You love this recipe and your family members also. Look at that beautiful colors. Orange, green, dark pink, blue. This is very healthy recipe because of lot of fruits. Look at this natural vegetable colors. Garnish with the cherries, and you can garnish more fruits and nuts. Thank you for watching my video. See you another episode.